guys, I'm 𝗦𝗍𝗃 from Language Academy and I'm here to talk about grammar. Now, where do you get the grammar scores from? Grammar is an enabling skill that you see at the bottom of your PTE score report. Now, where do you get the grammar scores from? Most of you might think that speaking contributes towards your grammar scores, whereas this is not the truth. Speaking is only tested on 3 parameters: oral fluency, pronunciation, and content. Now, even if you go way off with your grammar in speaking section, it's not going to affect the enabling skills of grammar. So what are the question types that are going to really affect your grammar scores? There are 3 question types. One is in listening, which is summarized spoken text, and 2 are in writing, which is summarized written text and essay. These are the only 3 question types that do affect your grammar scores. Now, how do we make sure that you get the grammar scores? Now, in case of summarized spoken text and essay, you are provided a template. So you have to wisely put in your ideas into the template and make sure that you do not make any grammar errors while putting in your ideas. In case of summarized written text, you really don't have to worry about grammar that much because the tips and tricks that we have given you to score in your summarized written text will help you get your grammar scores. But if we talk about the basics of grammar, that will help you to boost your grammar scores. So what are the basics of grammar? I mean subject-verb agreement, or using your articles, how to use articles, where to use them. That will help you get better scores at grammar. That will also help you to boost your confidence while writing your answers, be it any question type. One thing that you can do from your side, apart from understanding the basics of grammar, is proofreading your work. Proofreading is a very important part of solving any question. Now, whenever you're solving these question types, you have to make sure that you have at least 1 to 2 minutes at the end so that you can read your entire answer. And if you have made any obvious mistake there or any understandable mistake there, you can rectify it on the spot and you can avoid any marks that are going to be deducted. The other thing that you can do is get regular feedback. So when you get feedback from trainers, you understand at what point you make your mistakes. So the next time that you're solving these question types, you do not make the same errors again. So yes, you have to follow these few tips so that you can boost your grammar scores and in turn boost your writing score. To know more, do contact us at Language Academy and attend a trial class with us. Hope to see you soon. Bye. Thank you.
Now crack your PTE sitting at your home. Language Academy brings to you the smartest AI-powered practice portal, with instant scores and feedback for all the tasks. Along with the practice questions, access free sectional and full mock tests, and get instant scorecard with in-depth feedback and analysis. For more hidden secrets, tips, strategies, and proven templates, click the link below and subscribe to our video course today.